This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Budget 2022 Stock Picks. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's upcoming budget 2022 may focus on capex, revival and green energy. In this regard, a lot of incentives can be seen in the manufacturing of electronic vehicles, solar power and semiconductors. Some announcements on the healthcare and infrastructure sector could be the top agendas in this year's budget. Some stocks on which investors should keep an eye on: L&T. There is multi-year revenue visibility from large orders books and government is expected to increase road infrastructure spending in this year's budget. The company's order execution capabilities, effective capital utilization and reduced debt all make it a good long-term performer. Tata Power and Tata Motors. Renewable energy and electric vehicles could be an area of great focus in this year's budget. The PM announced in Glasgow about net zero carbon emission by 2070. There might be some announcement about this. Bharti Airtel. India has witnessed a revolution in the telecommunications sector over the past 7 years, which is expected to continue over the coming years. Government's focus to bring 5G technology to India as soon as possible will give a good boost to the company. Price of data per gigabyte has gone down from 200 rupees in 2014 to 10 rupees in recent years. Paras Defense and MTAR. Increased partnership with the private players in defense sector has led to substantial rise in the defense budget. For the first time, India is on the list of defense equipment exporting nations, exporting to more than 84 countries at the moment. This year, budget may focus on increased collaboration of government agencies with private players to boost defense exports and transformation in R&D to boost innovation. Please subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment, share